Hi buddies, welcome to Theo's fascinating program. In this video, let's see how to create a text file with the help of Python program language and also how to read a text file with the help of Python programming language. Come, let's switch over to the video. So to work in a text file, open a Python and open a script mode, open a new file and start typing the coding. So just type it as f, or you can give any variable name. F is equal to open, and we have to mention the file name, so by giving a path. So let me choose a path. I'll just choose a path as E. So in my E drive, so I'll just choose the path and I'll paste my path in my location. So in the location of open, I'll just give it as E drive. You can give similarly, you can give some other drive and mention the name of the file. The name of the file I just mentioned as today.txt. You can mention any name to create your file. So I just give it as today, and we have to mention a mode as called w. So w, it is used for writing a data in your file. So we use a function called write. So the file handle is f. So f dot write. So open a parenthesis and inside a quotes give any string which you want to enter. So let me give it as welcome to today's news, and we can give any information whichever you want. The information can be given inside a double quotes. Just I give it as welcome to today's news, east, west, north and south. So similarly you can give any information, close the quotes and close the bracket and come to the next line. So the syntax is file handle dot close. So the file handle is f. So f dot close. So close and give the parenthesis and save your file. Go to file and save your file. So once the file has been saved, you can run your program. So give any name for your file. So let me give it as a sample 1.py. so you give any similar name for it and save your file. Once you save your file, go to run and click on F5. Once you click on F5, so you can find the program gets executed. So once it is executed, now you have to go to the location. So now the location is E location. So E drive, go to the E drive. The name of the file is called today. So just go to the location of E drive and open a file. So just find what is the data modified on today's date, and you can find the file name called today. Just open a file. So if you open a file, we can see the content. Welcome to today's news, east, west, north and south. The information which we have given, it will be present in the file. This is how you have to create a text file with the help of your Python programming language. So I hope this will be helpful to create a Python programming language. Thank you. To read the information from the text file using Python programming language, the following steps are followed. Steps to read the information from text file. Type the information in Notepad and save the file by giving an extension .txt. So you have to type the information in a notepad and save the file by giving some extension. Example, I just give it as books.txt and open the script mode and read the program by mentioning the path. Let's see how to work on it. So open your notepad and type the information, whatever information you want to read with the help of your Python programming language. Just I give it as welcome to. So you can give any similar information, whatever you like. So I just give it as welcome to text file reading information from Python. So I just save as, and I give the file name and I store in a location called E. I just give it as books.txt. books.txt. So the name of the file is called books.txt. It is in a drive called E. I just save my file and I close my notepad. Now I just go and open my Python and go to file and open a new file. When you open a new file, the script mode will be open. Now start your coding. So just give the file handle. I can give any variable. I just give it as f is equal to open and open up parenthesis. In a quotes, we have to mention which path the file is stored. It is in the E drive. Just click the file, right click it and just give a copy. The path will get copied and come here and paste your path in this place. So I just paste my path. So when I paste my path, you can see it is in a E drive. The name of the file is called books.txt. So I'm going to read my file. So the mode is R. So I close the parenthesis. Next line, I want to read this information. So I just create a variable called k is equal to f dot read. Read is the function to read all the information and store in a variable called k. Now just I want to give it as print k. So when I just give it as print k, the information will get printed with the help of my Python. And once I print it, I just want to close my file. So close the file and just go to file and save your Python file. So the file, it is in the location called books.txt. With the help of read function, we read all the information. Once you done with your program, you can just save your program and you can go ahead with your execution. Go to file, give save as. So give the file name. I just give it as books.py. This is the file name of the Python. I just save my file. Once you save your file, go to run, click on run module F5. So if you just give F5, you can find welcome to the text file reading information from Python. This is the information which you have written in a notepad and it has been opened with the help of a Python programming language. So this is how you have to read a text file information. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.